Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what that buzzing sound is from a jet engine? Well, that's because the tips of the fan at the front of the engine exceed the speed of sound. Now, how's that possible? Well, we have to take into account the diameter of the fan and also the rotational speed. So let's take the GE90 115B jet engine, for example. The diameter of the fan is about 3.25 meters, and the maximum rotational speed is about 2,485 RPM. So we work out the circumference of the circular half of the fan, and that works out to be about 10.21 meters. And to get the tip velocity, the linear speed of the tips of the fan, we take the circumference, we multiply it by the RPM, and then we divide by 60 to get into per second. So that works out to be 422.9 meters per second, which is well in excess of the speed of sound. The speed of sound is approximately 343 meters per second at ground level, but it varies with temperature. But based on those figures, the tip velocity is well in excess of the speed of sound. And of course, it's not just the tips that are in excess of the speed of sound, as I show in the description below. And I also show in the description below at approximately what rotational speed percentage of the fan at the front of the engine for the GE90 115B engines you would need for the buzzing sound to occur. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.